Friendship for me in one word means trust.
Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel and today you just seen the thumbnail, right? So before me going forward, first of all, a very happy friendship day to everyone out there. To all my subscribers, to all my viewers, to all my dear friends, a very happy friendship day. So, you have seen that today is the Friendship Day special. So, I know what you guys are thinking. Yes, I can read your mind. I know that you are thinking that what would be the topic of today's video? What is this Prerna going to show us today? So, guys, we have so many friends, right? We have thousands, hundreds of friends, right? But do you know that there are three types of friends? You may be thinking, what is she telling? Three types. Three types. Means friends are just, we make friends, right? So, in that also three types? Yes, guys. You want to know that what are the three types of friends? Then do watch the video till end because you will get to know those three types of friends at the end. So do watch the video and so now without wasting any more time, let us go and watch.
Good evening, everyone, and a very happy Friendship Day to one and all here. Today is a National Friendship Day, and you all know how friends play a very important role in each and everyone's life. And friendship is an important phase in our lives, but how important and how do we make good friends is a big question. Friendship for me in one word means trust. It is something when someone can believe you more than oneself and take a position in the time of crisis, that is true friendship. But how many of us are lucky enough to have friends of that sort? Of course, it is a big challenge to have good friends, and trust is a backbone of any relationship, and the same applies to friendship also. Friendship is a strong bond between two people who get along with each other, and there is a comfort level between them. True friends are loyal to each other and they accept as you are and they stand by you during good and bad times. A Greek philosopher around 350 BC had told that there are three types of friendship, that is, friendship of utility, friendship of pleasure, and friendship of the good. The friendship of utility. Friendship of utility are the ones where the friends are convenient to your life. Like suppose you want to get into a class, or you want to join some program, or you want to join a seminar. There is some friend of you who can accompany you. So the friendship of utility are those friends who can accompany you anywhere during your necessity. Those friends come under friendship of utility. And friendship of pleasure, these are the friends who you can look upon during the get togethers, or to have a party, or to go to a picnic. So these are the friends who come under friendship of pleasure. So the friends who come under the friendship of utility and the friendship of pleasure are the ones who are not very serious about the relationship of friendship. They are just casual, and they are gone once the work is done. The third category is the friendship of the good. These are the ones who add value to your life. These are the ones who you can look upon in the time of your crisis. These are the ones who will make a difference in your life, who can make a impact, who can make an impact in your life, and will always be a joyous pleasure to be with them for the whole life. These are the ones to whom you can talk and share anything and everything on this earth. There is a strong bond of trust and loyalty between them. Yes, of course, it is very difficult to find a friend of this sort, but it's worth a wait in your lifetime, and if you find one, that will make a huge difference in your life. I wish each one of you gets such a friend sometime in your lifetime. Do you think friends are important in our life? Yes, they are. A research at Harvard University has told us friends are very important. They are the ones who can relieve our stress. They are our stress busters, and they can help us rebound easily from any illness, and it helps us in having a good mental health. That is a research which is saying that friends are very important part of our life, and they mean a lot for our maintenance of mental health. It is a huge challenge to get good friends, and you all as teenagers, I would definitely ask you to choose your friends wisely and be very careful when you are sharing your things with your friends. You must all be aware of our star Sushant Singh Rajput, who was found dead at his residence on June 14th. And this has been framed as suicide, but this does not seem to be a suicide but a murder, and the suspects are the closest of his friends. So we should be very careful while trusting your friends and sharing your minute details with them. And on this Friendship Day, I pray and wish that each one of you get a loyal friend and who you can trust and be the thickest and the closest of friends for your whole life, which will definitely make your life a bed of roses. Thank you one and all, and a very, very happy Friendship Day to all of you. Thank you.
So, how was the video, friends? Did you enjoy it? Did you get to know those 3 types of friends and in which category your friend lies? Do share it with us that your friend lies in which category and how much you love your friends. Do share it with us, and if you like the video, then do like, share and comment to the video. Down the video, do like, share and comment, and do subscribe to our channel Prerna Place if you have not yet subscribed, because we come up every week, same day, same time, with a different topics which your interest, which you feel very excited and enjoyment. So do subscribe, and do tell your friends also to subscribe, because it's free, guys. No money, nothing. It's free, so you can subscribe it. And beside the subscribe button, you will be having this bell icon. Do press on it, and because you will get all the notifications when I upload a new video. So do press on it so that you will get the notifications. And for now, let's wave a goodbye so that we meet next week, same day, same time with another interesting video for everyone. So until then, stay home, stay safe and enjoy yourself. Bye bye friends.